Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the show. I'm August Warden.
And I'm Gabe Berry.
And you're tapped in to Reach and Teach Campus Tour, coming to you from SCS Network.
Now, this isn't just any show. We're traveling campus to campus, talking to real students, asking real questions.
And getting real answers, the kind people don't always expect to hear.
Because, let's be honest, high school campuses, that's where all the ideas are everywhere.
You've got different perspectives and different backgrounds.
And sometimes very different opinions.
That's why we're here, to reach minds, teach truth, and turn moments into movement.
See, we're not just here to talk at people.
We're here to talk with people.
To listen, to learn.
And yeah, sometimes to challenge a few things too.
Because when you actually stop and think about it,
not everything you hear makes sense.
Not everything you see adds up.
And some things are just plain sketchy.
Like, wait, what did you just say?
Sketchy. Did that really just happen?
Sketchy. We might need to run that back.
Kinda sketchy.
So, of course, we had to make a segment for it.
Let's get into our first segment. That's So Sketch.
Everybody, welcome back to That's So Sketch, the only show where I can take the everyday things that make zero sense and call them out for what they really are, because honestly, some stuff out there is just sketchy. Everybody, let's get into it. First up, why do people set 5 alarms in the morning just to ignore every single one of them? Like you got alarms going off at 6 o'clock, 6:05, 6:07, 6:12. What is that? A concert? And every time it goes off, you hit it snooze like it personally offended you. If you already know you're not getting up till 7, just set it up for 7. The whole situation? That's so sketch. Next, automatic sinks that don't work. You ever stood there waving your hands like you're casting a spell? Nothing? Move a little closer? Nothing? Then suddenly, it turns on for half a second and shuts off like it changed its mind? Meanwhile, the person next to you barely moves and gets a full waterfall. So now I'm standing there with soap on my hands looking ridiculous. Yeah, that's so sketch. And don't even get me started on people who say, I'll be there in 5 minutes. 5 minutes where? On what planet? Because it's been 20 minutes and you're now texting me, I'm on the way. On the way from where? You just left the house, didn't you? Just be honest. Say I haven't even put my shoes on yet. I'd respect that way more. All that fake timing? That's so sketch. This one right here. When your phone battery's at 20% all day long, but the second it hits 19%, it starts acting like it's on life support. Screen dimming, apps closing, everything slowing down like it's giving a farewell speech. You were just fine 2 seconds ago. Don't switch up now. That dramatic behavior, that's so sketch. Last one, people who press the elevator button multiple times. You think that's going to make it come faster? You think there's a guy in there like, oh wow, they pressed it again, let me hurry up. No! Now we're all standing here watching you panic press the button like it's a video game. Relax, it's coming. With all that extra pressing? Yeah, that's so sketch. That's all I got for today, but you already know there's more sketchy stuff out there. I'll be back to call it out. Until next time, stay aware, and remember, if it don't make sense, that's so sketch. Everybody.
First of all, that feels like a personal insult, because I do all those things.
But to me, the sink, like, I could try as hard as I want, it just doesn't come out.
Alright. Things are about to get serious.
Serious? This is cake. We're talking frosting, crumbs, and total chaos.
That's right. Welcome to Extra Eats, where speed is everything.
And table manners, completely optional.
Today's challenge, 1 cake, no utensils, fastest to finish wins.
And trust me, it's harder than it looks.
So who's got the hunger?
And who's about to tap out?
Let's find out.
Welcome to Extra Eats. Today we're putting our appetites to the test to see who can eat the most cake in 2 minutes. Competing today are August Borden, Kaylin Curry, and me, Gabriel Berry. Now, let's be honest, out of all of us, I think I've got this. I love cake, I eat fast, and I'm not afraid of a little competition. But anything can happen when the pressure is on. So we'll have to wait and see. Grab a seat, get ready, and let's get into the show. Wait, no. Okay, now yeah. Now.
I can't swallow. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Bro,
That's on you, man.
Well, it seems like my calculations were a little off.
Let the winner talk real quick. I'm very honored for this beautiful win. It took a lot of dedication, a lot of discipline, and my stomach hurts. But until next time, August out.
Well, thank you for watching Extra Eats. See you next time. Dude, was that cake good? You smashed it.
Yeah, that cake was good. My belly's full. It was good. I won. Because you were saying you were going to win, but I won. Man, I don't know about that one.
Yeah, it was a little questionable.
I heard what they said.
But I'm not sure they heard themselves.
See, this is what happens sometimes. People say things with confidence.
But not always with clarity.
Or facts.
Or any kind of backup at all.
So we got to ask the real question.
Are you sure?
Like, are you really sure?
Because we're about to take a second look.
Run it back.
And see if it actually holds up.
This is Are You Sure?
Yeah.
Welcome back to Are You Sure? The show where we take a closer look at things that seem totally normal until you actually think about them.
And then immediately regret thinking about them.
Today's first topic, daylight saving time. Twice a year, we all agree to change our clocks like it's still 1899.
Right, because nothing says modern society like collectively pretending time is flexible.
We lose an hour of sleep in the spring.
And gain confusion in the fall.
Farmers don't even need it anymore.
Yeah, the crops are like, we're good, we had the sun.
Are you sure?
Next up, self-checkout machines.
Yes, the only place where you work for a company for free and still feel judged.
Unexpected item in the bagging area.
That unexpected item is my self-esteem.
You ever notice it only messes up when people are behind you in line?
Every single time.
It's like the machine knows.
Are you sure? Let's talk about weather apps.
Oh yeah, 100% chance of rain. And it's sunny.
Or partly cloudy, which literally means anything.
I checked mine yesterday. It said 72 degrees.
What was it actually?
72 degrees, but it felt suspicious.
You can't trust that.
You really can't. Are you
You
sure? Final topic. Terms and conditions.
The longest thing no one has ever read.
Somewhere in there, it probably says, "We now on your left sock."
Joke's on them, I've already lost it.
You just scroll all the way down to the bottom and click agree.
Confidently agreeing to something you absolutely did not read.
That's adulthood.
That's life.
Are you sure?
That's all for today's episode of Are You Sure?
Remember, question everything.
Even this show.
Are you
You
sure?
sure?
Yeah, I'm definitely questioning that show just a little bit. But I definitely do not read terms and conditions.
Me either.
Alright. We've had some serious moments.
Yeah, we've been thinking a little deep on the show.
But now it's time to lighten things up.
Because, let's be real,
Sometimes the internet says it better than we ever could.
I'm talking about memes
Those random pictures,
with captions that are way too accurate.
like, how did they know?
Memes will call you out, make you laugh.
And sometimes even make you think a little bit.
Yeah, don't let the jokes fool you. There's usually some truth in there.
So whether it's funny, awkward,
Or just a little too real.
we're about to break it down. This is What Do You Mean?
Good evening, Internet survivors. I'm Gabriel Berry.
And I'm August Borden, and this is the only news show brave enough to report on stories that started in your group chat. What do you mean?
Our top story tonight. Chaos in downtown relationships as the distracted boyfriend has officially been labeled a public safety hazard.
That's right. Sources say the boyfriend has now looked at so many things. New phones, pizza, a random squirrel, that his girlfriend has filed for emotional support.
Experts say the real issue is commitment.
Or lack of Wi-Fi.
Authorities are reminding citizens, if you see someone turning their head mid-walk, proceed with caution.
Seriously, sidewalks are not safe anymore. What do you mean? In other news, NPC behaviors has reached an all-time high in public spaces.
Eyewitnesses report people walking into rooms and saying things like, "Hey, how's it going?" and then immediately leaving.
Suspicious. Very suspicious.
Even more alarming, some individuals have been repeating the same three phrases every single day.
Monday, am I right? Living the dream. Can't complain.
You described half the population.
I might be an NPC.
We all might be.
What do you mean?
A new study shows the phrase "it is what it is" has officially replaced all forms of emotional processing.
Lost your homework? It is what it is.
Failed a test? It is what it is.
Dropped your phone and shattered the screen?
It is what it is.
Therapists are concerned.
But also kind of impressed.
It's the ultimate life hack. No feeling, no problem.
That doesn't sound healthy.
It is what it is. What do you mean? Before we go, a quick reminder. If your life starts feeling like a meme,
It probably already is.
and if you don't understand what's happening,
Just say the line.
what do you mean? I'm definitely jealous of the "it is what it is" mindset.
The internet's a crazy place. Distracted boyfriend? Like, dude.
Man, this is a good one.
Yeah, for real. Some laughs, some real moments.
And definitely some things to think about.
From That's So Sketch
To extra eats.
to Are You Sure?
And of course, what do you mean?
We covered a little bit of everything today.
But at the end of the day, it isn't just about entertainment.
It's about conversations that matter
Listening, learning,
and not being afraid to ask questions.
because that's how we grow.
Reaching minds, teaching truths, and turning moments into movement.
If you rocked with us today, make sure you stay connected.
Because we're just getting started.
I'm August.
I'm Gabe.
And this is Reach and Teach Campus Tour. We'll see you next time.